In this video, I will tell you how to withdraw AUD from Swiftax to your bank account. So first, what you need to do is open the Swiftax app and log into your account. From the dashboard, tap withdraw, then select Australian dollars or AUD. Next, tap add new bank account. Enter your bank details carefully, including your BSB account number and account name. Make sure the account name matches the verified name on your Swyftx account. Then tap add. After that, enter the SMS verification code sent to your phone. Now check your email, including your spam or junk folder, and click the confirmation link. This can take up to 30 minutes to arrive. Once you have confirmed the email, refresh the app screen and your bank account should appear as verified. Now to withdraw your money, go back to the dashboard and tap withdraw again. Select Australian dollars or AUD. Choose your verified bank account from the list. Then tap amount to withdraw and enter how much you want to send to your bank account. After that, choose a reason for the withdrawal since this is required. Review all of the details including the amount, bank account and estimated arrival time. Finally, tap withdraw or confirm, then approve any extra security prompt if it appears. That's how you add a bank account and withdraw AUD in the Swiftax app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.